If you are unable to sign into Modern Mobile Suite for RMS due to a forgotten password, here are the steps to reset that password. First, launch a File Explorer window. Navigate to the directory C:\program data. And there will be a folder called New West Technologies. And open Modern Mobile Suite. This .env file is what Modern Mobile Suite uses to point to your SQL database. To reset the password, we just need to either rename or delete this file, and you'll be prompted to recreate the credentials the next time you launch Modern Mobile Suite. We'll just go ahead and rename this. Next, we need to stop the Modern Mobile Suite service. To do this, launch a command prompt. Be sure to right-click and run as administrator, and enter the text PM2 space list. This shows your current Modern Mobile Suite server running. We'll need to note the ID version, in this case, 0. Next, type PM2, let's get that cursor out of the way, space, stop, and that ID number for us, it's 0. All right, the service is stopped. So if you come down to the task tray, you can see the Modern Mobile Suite has a nice red dot over it. Right-click and restart. And there the service is running again. So now, right-click, open MMS browser. If you do get this certificate error saying the site is not secure, this is a security feature built into modern web browsers to help secure web traffic. Since this is a locally hosted service, we don't have to worry about it. So click Details or Advanced, and either go on the next web page or Proceed, or whatever it says in your browser. Here you will enter your SQL credentials, just like you would when setting up RMS. So the computer name, for me it's MMS-RMS, the port number, name of your database, your SQL username, and the password. If you do have an encrypted connection, here is where you would enable it, then click Save. And here's where we enter the passwords for Modern Mobile Suite. You'll need to do the same 2 passwords during your initial setup. There's a basic and elevated password. The elevated password is for anybody who uses manager credentials when accessing the RMS Manager program. The basic password is for users that don't have those manager credentials. These passwords can be anything you'd like. They just cannot remain blank, and the basic password and the elevated password cannot match. Let's go ahead and enter your new password. And if your store is part of an HQ environment, go ahead and check this here. For more information on the suggested buy settings, you can check out the user guide. The Allow Quick Receive All will enable a button that will let users receive all orders on an item with the number that is set on the order. Require signature capture will prompt the user for a signature when their PO is being received. Go ahead and click Save. And you are back to the Modern Mobile Suite login page. If you go back to that folder, you'll see the env file has been recreated. So go ahead and sign in. And you're back to using Modern Mobile Suite.